You've probably heard it everywhere. The software engineering market is crashing. But what if I told you that's not the whole story? While layoffs, fewer jobs, and AI taking over the world seem to be the hot topics nowadays, they're only really one side of the coin. What most people don't see are the hidden opportunities that have quietly emerged, especially in 2024. As an ex-software engineer who now runs a seven-figure B2B consulting firm, I've got a unique perspective on the matter. While everybody's focused on the negative, I see a hidden goldmine of untapped potential. And in today's video, I'm going to break down what these opportunities are, where they are, and how you yourself can capitalize on them before everyone else actually catches on. But let's start with the reality check. Yes, the market is tough, especially if you're an entry-level engineer with less than 5 years of experience. Gone are the days when full-stack engineers were being scooped up left and right. It's competitive. AI is advancing at lightning speed, you have so many applicants from India and China, and those traditional jobs we all used to rely on are becoming scarce. It's easy to feel like the odds are stacked against you, but here's the thing. Every shift creates opportunity. When one door closes, several other doors open. You just need to know where to look. The usual developer roles might feel saturated, but feels like cybersecurity, AI, and fintech are expanding fast, and that's where the real opportunities actually lie. And the best part, you don't have to follow the old path of working for someone else. You can carve your own niche and start your own business. Let me show you how. Let's kick things off with cybersecurity. In today's world, cyber threats are only escalating, which means companies are desperately seeking talent that can secure their systems. If you've got the skills, there are really two clear paths you can take. Work for a major corporation or a startup, or even better, start your own cybersecurity consultancy. Imagine offering services like vulnerability assessments or GRC solutions to various businesses. These businesses will actually pay big money to ensure that their data is safe, and this demand is only going to increase as threats grow more and more sophisticated year by year. So whether you're working for a company or deciding to go on your own, the opportunities here are massive. Next up, let's talk about AI. Yes, we keep hearing about AI taking jobs and taking over the world, but what most people don't realize is that it's also creating an entirely new set of roles. Companies now need engineers to design, train, and maintain these AI systems. Even more exciting is the opportunity to build AI-driven tools for industries like healthcare or finance. If you're someone who knows how to leverage AI, the sky's the limit. You could be developing custom AI solutions for businesses that are tailored to their specific needs, and trust me, they'll be lining up for these kinds of services, especially in the healthcare niche. In 2024, having the ability to work with AI isn't just an advantage anymore. It's actually becoming a necessity. And that's where you can really stand out by combining your technical skills with your entrepreneurial strategies to offer something completely unique to the market. Last but not least, we have fintech and cloud computing. These fields are redefining how we actually manage money and run our businesses. Fintech in particular is transforming everything from digital payments to blockchain. Companies need engineers who can actually help them innovate and disrupt the traditional financial landscape. Similarly, cloud computing is crucial as more and more companies transition their operations online. If you're well versed in cloud technology, you could secure a very high paying role. But the even bigger play? Starting your own cloud consultancy to help businesses make the shift seamless and secure. So while the rest of the world is stuck on focusing how hard the job market is and all the negatives, there's a hidden goldmine of opportunities that's just waiting to be tapped into. Whether it's cybersecurity, AI, or fintech, you've got options. You can take the traditional job route or start something of your own. The choice is entirely yours, but 2024 could be the year that sets you up for long-term success. You just need to look deeper into all the opportunities available to you. And if you're serious about building something from the ground up and transitioning into these new opportunities, you'll want to check out this video next, where I'll walk you through how to start your own business as a software engineer from A to Z. As always, thank you for watching and have a good one.